Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just thought I'd take you on a bit of a drive just to show you the improvement induction noise. After fitting the Airtec Stage 2 induction kit. I think since last year of doing like a drive video in December, I've not had the sports cat as well, the 200cell sports cat. So yeah, it's just to show you the improvement in sound. I'll do a bit of a few little speed runs as well. Yeah, I'm just going to show you that you get way more induction noise now. You've got all the uprated silicone hoses. You've got the Airtec Stage 2 induction kit on. You get a lot more noise from the turbo. You can also hear the the air being sucked in through the induction kit as well. So yeah, just take you on a bit of a drive, and just in case you're thinking of doing, fitting the Airtec Stage 2 induction kit and uprating your induction pipes and getting a full turbo back exhaust on your car. Really loud, that induction noise. It's cold, so you can hear it. That's well loud, that. It's like a little flutter. Give it some welling. Definitely quicker, all the additions, the Airtec Stage 2 induction kit as well. You get loads more induction noise on. Probably heard it at the start of the video. Take a look at the drive and see why do we get some induction in the turbo. Yeah, so the car's virtually on a Stage 2 at the moment. The only thing I've got to do to get to Stage 2 is install an Airtec Stage 2 intercooler and get the Stage 2 remap, and then it's fully Stage 2 then. So yeah, like I say, I'm going to give it a bit of a speed run down this road now. Nothing too stupid. Wow, that is definitely quicker. That, I don't know if you can see the speed all then, but that was really definitely faster than before it had when I just had the cat back on the car. And with the Airtec Stage 2 induction kit now, we get a load more induction noise, and like it just picks up. I was a lot quicker that, so start at 30 in second. Down to 30. Yeah, it's definitely quicker that than it was before. Alright, what is it? Second gear pull. Yeah, wow. I'll slow down now anyway, but yeah, so about 65 miles per hour in out of second gear. Definitely quicker that. So yeah, I think I'll leave it there now for going too quick. Yeah, but if you want a lot more induction noise, like turbo foot or whatever, just definitely think about getting the Airtec Stage 2 induction kit. It's worth it. It seems to be louder, when you get the flutter noise when it's first thing I do in the morning when it's cold, when the engine's a bit colder, and or like if you're driving at night time, you get like at the start of the video, it was way louder. The turbo noise, and I don't know if you can hear it, but when you have the windows shut, you can hear the induction kit sucking in the air. You might not be able to hear it on the phone, but I'll try and give it a go. I don't know if you can hear that, but I definitely can hear it. When you put your foot down, you can just hear it sucking the air in, and then obviously get the blow-off noise as well from the compact dual port. So yeah, all in all, I'm definitely happy with the setup. It's a lot quicker, than it was standard. I can only imagine why it's going to be like at Stage 2 when it should be around about 180, 185 horsepower. Probably around 160 maybe, or just over 160. I don't know, because I've not had it rolling roaded, but it's way quicker than it was when I first test drove the car. As you can see then, just from that short little pull, nothing too silly, but yeah, definitely happy with it. I definitely recommend you if you like to modify your car. It might not be your cup of tea, it might be, but I like it. Modifying cars and stuff. So yeah, the Airtec Stage 2 intercooler is next for me, and then the Stage 2 remap, and then that's it. The car's fully at Stage 2. Yeah, so the next video I'm going to do is nothing about performance. It's more about maintenance, important maintenance. I'll try and do a mixture of both, like performance and like maintenance of the car, and to keep it not just one topic. But yeah, I'm going to upgrade the day gas pipe. I have got the uprated one for the pre-facelift Mark III 1 litre EcoBoost, but it's still very fragile, and it can definitely fail as well. So what I've done, which you can do, you can upgrade your pipes to the facelift Mark III. Do you want the later, the later models ones where it doesn't run over the top of a red hot engine? It goes around the front of the car, just so it doesn't get red hot, and it doesn't have a plastic piece in it as well, like a T-piece, to fail. So that'll be the next video dropping. So if you're interested in that, give it a watch. Yeah, so guys, that was just a quick Joe drive out in the car, just to show you what the car's like since last year when I did a little drive out in December. Well, since then I've had, you know, I've had the Airtec induction kit Stage 2 installed. I've had NGK iridium spark plugs. I've had the 200 cell sports cat and large bore downpipe. So yeah, from what I think, driving it, the car is definitely quicker. You get more induction noise, turbo noise. The exhaust note now is a bit more. It's not like tinny or like ricer-ish where it's. I don't know how to explain it, but it just sounds a bit more throatier, you know. So it does sound better, but it's not over the top. Because like I keep saying in my other videos on my channel, it's not an RS or an ST, where the exhaust will be a lot louder. It's quite subtle, but it's got like a nice throaty performance note to it. But yeah, overall, yeah, the car's definitely quicker than like the last year's video I did when I was driving the car. It's on the verge of Stage 2, like I said. Just need the Stage 2 Airtec intercooler, Stage 2 remap, and then it should be fully done. So yeah, if you like modifying your cars, I definitely recommend checking out my channel for your Stage 1 mods I've done. And eventually the start of next year I'll be able to complete Stage 2. Definitely worth it. The car's totally transformed, a lot quicker. It's not stupid over the top, like a boy racer car. It's you can drive it normally, or you can have a bit of fun with it. It just depends what your cup of tea is, really. Like I said, I do like modifying my cars, doing things to them. And also the next video I'm going to do is upgrading the coolant pipes. So I'm going to get rid of the day gas pipe, the one that runs across the engine. It's always renowned for failing and making your car overheat and lose coolant. I'm going to change it to the Mark 3.5 coolant pipes, which run around the front of the car. I've already bought them. That's the next video I'm going to do, because I do like to do a balance of like performance and modifications to do with the car, and also servicing the car and like fixing the car with certain things, because I have got like a varying age group of people who watch the channel, so all the way from the 20s up to the, I think, the 50s. So yeah, and I know it's not everyone's idea of revving a car or modifying a car or just doing changing parts in a car. So I'm just trying to do that, like the whole ballpark thing for everyone. So you've got a bit of everything, like modifying performance and fixing the car and changing the important parts over. So yeah, check out the next video on the channel, which should be coming during the next week or so when I've got a bit of free time. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you how the car drives now, and hope you can hear a bit of the the induction and turbo sounds from the Airtec induction kit. And yeah, well, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more notifications of more content coming up. All right, thanks for watching.